Hello, morning. Got some of my friends here again. Hey, how you doing? Morning. They are so cute, them birds. These robins are so nice. Yes. That's not cute. I think they get confused of where the noise is coming from. I'm not used to humans. Oh, there's two of them. They're playing together then. I don't know where they've gone. Anyway, let's see what else we can find. Let's see if we can find some other ones. Maybe there's some more about. It's a bit windy in that today. Anyways, hope everyone's having a good day. And hopefully I find some more wildlife to film. Right, have a good day. See ya.